From the severe acute respiratory syndrome pandemic of 2003 to the similar coronavirus pandemic of 2019 and 20, JPT's team of architects and MEP engineers has taken a look into the healthcare facility leadership strategies that can be implemented for a better future in pandemic preparedness. When healthcare facility leaders attempt to make their buildings safer in the midst of a pandemic, it's important to consider specific characteristics of the disease, such as, is the disease viral or bacterial? How and where does the disease live? Does it reproduce? How can it be killed? What are the transmission rates? When characterizing COVID-19, we know that the disease is viral, and transmission occurs one of three ways. The first rate of transmission is from person to person, so you should stay at least 6 feet away from others. Second is airborne transmission, and the exposure risk increases during aerosol-generating procedures. Third is transmission via surfaces, which COVID-19 can live on for hours to days. COVID-19 positive patients spread their virus to others much more quickly than influenza. We know the key control measure is to prevent the dispersal of droplets from a COVID positive individual to a COVID negative individual. What can healthcare facility leaders do? For starters, delay elective ambulatory provider visits, delay inpatient and outpatient elective procedural and surgical cases, postpone routine dental and eye care visits, reschedule elective and non-urgent admissions, among many other tips which can be found throughout this video series. It's important for healthcare facility leaders to understand the routine care of a COVID-19 positive patient. Understanding this, along with the characteristics of a specific disease, is going to help protect those within the facility and decipher what is needed to prevent the dispersal of infected droplets. JPT's architects and engineers have created this guided video series that dives into the healthcare facility environment and offers insight into planning a strategy for the new normal with COVID-19. This video is the second in the guided series and is titled The Bug. Please check out the associated blog post on JPT's website, which contains more information and materials for download. JPT hopes that you will tune in and follow along to see how your facility can be pandemic prepared. See you next time.